Oh, excuse me. I look so pretty today, don't I? Well, this is your mama back with another words of wisdom. You know, I want to tell you something. I just see my white hand. Oh, that's because it got bleached, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, on a freak accident. Anyway, um, what was I forgot what I was going to say because I'm getting old timers. Oh, I got this, yes, the words of wisdom. See, what happened was, my friend, had a son, okay? And he done got his mouth full of gold teeth, okay? And he was going through the hood showing off all his gold teeth. You know, saying, look at my grill, look how fine my grill is. But one day he goes through the hood showing off his teeth. Somebody put a gun to his head, knocked him on the ground, kicked out all his gold teeth, took his gold teeth, and then sold him at the pawn shop. Can you believe what I just said? Kicked out all his teeth and sold him at the pawn shop, his gold teeth. So the moral of my lesson is simply this. Don't be a fool. Don't get your mouth full of gold teeth and go showing them on the hood. You know what I'm saying? Because that's like showing off a wad of money in the hood. They're going to steal it from you. So he done got his teeth kicked out and sold at the pawn shop. So don't do that, okay? That's my words of wisdom straight up from your mama. And that's all I got to say about this. Crazy kids. Just crazy kids in the hood these days. You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy. Anyway, I love y'all. God bless. Take care, y'all. Amen.